Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by defining scope and gathering the essential tables. Link employees to attendance and payroll with employee ID. Once done, clean dates and numeric formats so calculations behave predictably. Make sure to add a simple lookup table for departments and roles to avoid typos. You should also decide on refresh cadence and whether data will be pasted or connected via query. These preparatory choices determine how scalable and maintainable the dashboard will be. You now build a robust data model. Load cleansed tables into Power Pivot and relate them on employee ID and date. Then write measures with DAX. Use calculate for filters, divide to avoid errors, and date functions for period comparisons. Once measures are stable, create helper columns for rolling 12 months and cohort analysis. Make sure to test each metric with sample slicer selections so you understand why values change and can justify trends in your narrative. You finish by arranging KPIs, trend charts, and tables for clear storytelling. Position a primary KPI row with cards, then a trend chart and a breakdown matrix. Once done, wire slicers for date, department, and role and test cross-filtering. Make sure to apply consistent color rules and number formats so comparisons are immediate. If something breaks, check relationships and measure logic first. A common fix is a mismatched data type or an inactive relationship. Reactivate or correct type.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.